Hi guys, my name is Shikan. Today we are going to make an abacus tool. Let's start. Now I'll telling about the things how to make. We need sticks and we need sketch pen and we need scissors. We have to be careful. And we need cardboard box and we need a glue stick, we have paper and we need a bangles colorful. So let's start. We need to paste this white paper in the cardboard. Touching the gum. Now I am pasting the paper to write tens and ones. Now I am writing tens and ones place. I am writing with the marker. So look, designs. Let's make holes with this scissors. With Ella's help. Now we got a holes with the Ella's help. So let's keep the sticks. Then another sticks. Now we are done keeping the sticks. Now I'll explain you how to calculate. For example, let's take number 24. In 24, we have 2 tens. I'm keeping 1 bangle and I'm keeping 2 bangles. Now, I am going to keep it 4 bangles in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is this number? 2, 4, 24. I am explaining you number 35. I am keeping in the tens place 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I am keeping it ones place in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you enjoy? Yes? Okay. You can make in your own home easily with your parents' help. Bye. Subscribe to your channel.